Prince William adamant Prince Harry will never be welcomed back into royal fold after unthinkable act. Prince William is reportedly adamant that he can never forgive his brother, Prince Harry, due to one issue in particular, according to royal expert Michael Cole. There may be no coming back for warring brothers Prince William and Prince Harry, and one particular issue is to blame. According to one expert, the royal brothers seem to have cut ties after Harry stepped back from his royal duties to start a new life in California with his wife Meghan Markle. The release of Harry's controversial memoir, Spare, in January 2023 further strained their relationship when he made explosive claims against his family. In his tell-all book, Harry claimed that Prince William had labeled his wife as difficult, rude and abrasive, and even accused him of pushing him into a dog bowl. It was also claimed that King Charles was jealous of the Prince and Princess of Wales, and that Charles refused to allow Meghan to join her husband in Scotland as the late Queen was dying. As rumours continue to circulate about whether the princes could eventually mend their feud, former BBC royal correspondent Michael Cole has a different view, suggesting that the future king is firm in his position, reports The Mirror. As speculation continues to swirl over whether the princes could ultimately bury their rift, former BBC royal correspondent Michael Cole thinks otherwise, arguing that the future king is adamant in his stance. The expert has said there will be no softening of William's approach to Harry, who has done the unthinkable. "What, men, cannot put up with are two things which they cannot abide with," Mr. Cole shared with GB News America. "Their driving ability, and they certainly cannot allow their wife to be criticized." The Sunday Times reports that the brothers last spoke at the late Queen's funeral in September 2022. Even then, according to Harry's memoir, they barely exchanged a word. The paper suggests that William is unlikely to forgive his younger brother anytime soon for his jibes against wife Kate in Spare, with friends telling the newspaper that as things stand, the Prince of Wales would not want Harry at his coronation, whenever that may be. A friend told the Sunday Times, "They are estranged, which is dreadfully sad," while another said that Harry rarely comes up in conversation with William and explained, this year his focus has very much been on his wife, his children and his father. This comes as Prince Harry's next major trip has been announced. Following a tour in Colombia with Meghan, Harry is set for a solo event, this time to visit New York, while Harry will be in the Big Apple to advance a number of his patronages and philanthropic initiatives. According to a spokesperson, it was feared there could have been an awkward run-in with William. Harry's trip overlaps with the 2024 Earthshot Prize Innovation Summit, scheduled for September 24, and while it is one of William's key areas of work, he is not believed to be in attendance this year.